Look closely at these amber beads. For centuries, objects like this have served a specific purpose. You move them through your fingers to block out external noise, anchoring your mind through physical repetition and spiritual grounding. But resting right next to them is their functional counterweight. These three lenses belong to a tool engineered for the opposite result. It is designed to fracture focus, demand immediate attention, and connect you to every piece of information on Earth at once. This pairing illustrates the daily tug of war for our attention. We seek the quiet, steady pace represented by the beads, yet we require the phone to participate in the modern economy. This raises a question about the objects in our pockets. Are they destined to remain at war, or is there a way for them to coexist? The modern condition means carrying both the exhaustion of hyperconnection and the potential for mindfulness in the same space. To understand how these items interact, we have to look at traditional prayer beads, often called a misbaha, as a form of technology. It is a mechanical tool designed for cognitive offloading. When you move a bead, you provide your brain with a concrete tactile feedback loop. This repetitive physical action can lower heart rates and pull a wandering mind back into the present moment. You can think of it as an analog progress bar. It allows you to track a meditation purely by touch, keeping your eyes closed and your internal focus unbroken. This diagram illustrates the variable ratio schedule, the psychological foundation of the smartphone's interface. It's a loop where actions yield rewards after unpredictable delays. Push notifications utilize this exact loop, engineered to hijack your dopamine system, keeping you waiting for the next hit. The physical action of tapping a screen for a digital reward is designed to be frictionless, especially compared to the deliberate movement of a bead for internal reflection. The misbaha builds a bounded architecture around your attention. The smartphone interface is designed to dismantle that architecture. Given their opposing functions, it is notable that these two objects look so harmonious resting side by side. This is the result of text softening. Industrial designers intentionally use specific color palettes and materials to make electronics feel more organic. The warm metallic accents around the phone's lenses are engineered to mirror traditional materials, echoing the rich depth and visual variety found in polished amber. The phone case serves a similar role. Its coarse, woven fabric mimics the tactile sensation of ancient garments or traditional bookbindings. These materials help bridge the gap between a glass slab and the tactile world humans have navigated for centuries, making a machine feel like an extension of the personal objects we've always carried. We often treat this as a choice between abandoning the digital world or surrendering entirely to the screen. A more practical approach is integration. The physical grounding of traditional tools can set tangible boundaries around the digital pull of our devices. The items we keep in our pockets, our everyday carry, act as physical reinforcements of our internal priorities. Keeping a tool for focus next to a tool of boundless connection is a deliberate act of mental self-defense. An analog anchor provides the friction necessary to resist digital overwhelm, ensuring that even in a hyper-connected age, a tool of silence remains within reach.